guys, this is Miss Maria and I'm here with my daughter. Today we're gonna do a ladybug pet rock so you guys can join with us. This is stuff that I found from my home. You guys can make it as colorful as you want. So my daughter will be doing one herself. Acércale a ella. Yeah. Sí. Mira, sí. Sí. Tú. So you're just gonna paint that rock and make it as colorful as you want, like I said. And then we're going to make it like this. We're gonna add some black lines on it. So there's gonna be a head and a black line and some dots, so it can look like a ladybug. And then you can either add the eyes with paint, or you could add googly eyes, whichever you want. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and I hope you guys make it with your friends, with your family, and hope you guys have a great time with this project. Have a good one. Bye.